Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the StarTech Thunderbolt 3 dock. Let's see if this docking station lives up to the hype. StarTech has been a key player in the Thunderbolt technology scene for quite some time. So, it's no surprise they've introduced their own Thunderbolt 3 dock, promising a plethora of connectivity options. Now, let's break it down. First up, design. The design of the StarTech Thunderbolt 3 dock is functional, with a two-tone gunmetal and black finish. However, it's worth noting that, unlike some competitors, this dock is entirely made of plastic, which may not appeal to everyone. But where this dock shines is in its features. With a total of 12 ports, including dual HDMI and DisplayPort, as well as 5 USB 3.2 ports, it offers decent connectivity options. Plus, it's capable of charging a connected laptop with up to 96 W of power, which is a significant plus. However, there are some drawbacks. One major disappointment is the lack of a downstream Thunderbolt port. This means you can't daisy-chain Thunderbolt devices, limiting its versatility. Additionally, the plastic construction may not inspire confidence compared to metal alternatives. Furthermore, while the port selection is decent, some users may miss features like an SD card slot. Now, let's talk about the verdict. Overall, the StarTech Thunderbolt 3 dock offers a mixed bag. It's affordable and offers some essential features, but its limitations, like the lack of a downstream Thunderbolt port, hold it back from being a top contender in the market. So, should you buy it? If you're on a tight budget and primarily use USB peripherals, this dock could suffice. However, if you rely on Thunderbolt devices or seek a more robust build, you may want to explore other options. And that wraps up our review of the StarTech Thunderbolt 3 dock. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, happy docking!